Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix cannot start BlueStacks. Please send a problem report. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open the BlueStack multi-instant manager. Click on this instant and click on French instant, and now choose the Android version 32-bit and select next. CPU cores set this to 2 and memory allocations set this to standard 2 GB. Set resolution to 720 and performance mode set to high performance and DPI set 240 and select create, and after creating it rename the BlueStack app player to that's called BlueStack app new, and click on this icon and save it. And now click on this create desktop shortcut icon. Shortcut added to the desktop successfully. Click on OK. Now you can start the BlueStack app new guys. Without any errors it will be start. Your problem resolved. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.